Howdy, and welcome all to the fascinating world of bridge building. This is Polybridge, and this is a game which is on Steam in early access, possibly very early access. I've seen a couple of clips of this, again, as I like to do with these games. I have not played it at all. This is my first look. I'm excited. I'm excited for this. It's got a man with a speech bubble on a stick coming out of his mouth. That's what we always look for. In this, he's wearing a two-tone orange and red shirt. He knows a thing or two about bridge building, and we are going to assist him, I think. So let's jump right in. First thing, we need to build a road over the water. Okay. Build a road by connecting the two terrain joints. So I click there. Oh, I see. To there. To there. To there. Looking good. Now click on Start Simulation. Here we go. Success! I used 720 of my budget, which was unlimited, apparently. Okay. Max joint stress, 92.8%. Not sure what that means yet. Material footprint, 6 meters. Okay, that's good. I think we achieved everything we could there. Build a road by connecting the two terrain joints. Okay, the station wagon is obviously heavier than the bike. The classic... Oh, sorry, the family classic... Fuck me. The Family Trip Classic. Make sure to pack all you need and don't leave your mother-in-law behind. We won't tell if you do. And don't leave your we won't tell if you do. That's not really a joke. Okay, including passengers, we're looking at roughly 1.8 tons. Okay. So clearly, this approach is not going to cut it. No, I don't want to. I don't, because it's going to sink into the water. You're setting me up to fail, old man. I know this is going to fail. See? Oh no, that station wagon is heavy. No shit. Bring up the tool wheel by pressing the spacebar or middle mouse button. Okay, now select the wood tool. Oh, you've got different materials. Road, wood, steel, dust bins, arrows that are bent. That's good. Okay, wood. Support the bridge joint by connecting it to the terrain joint on that rock in the water. Okay. Looking good. Now start the simulation. Okay. Success! I am the greatest bridge builder in the world. Our max joint stress there was much lower than what we had previously, so that's positive. Once again, start by building the road. Clickety click. Bring up the wood tool. For a strong bridge, support the bridge joints by building a structure that distributes the weight onto the load-bearing terrain joints. Okay, so we can do this both above and below. There, that's totally a bridge. I'm so proud of that. Okay. And on we go. This is really quaint. I like this. Now let's start a suspension bridge. As always, start by building a road across the terrain joints. Okay. Ooh. So we can't actually get all that far. So we start with suspension. Suspension goes from there to... yeah. From there to there. Cable. Is that it? Nope. Start by building a road across the terrain joints. Oh, right. I see. I see. I apologise. Bring up the tool wheel and select suspension. I see. Right, okay. Suspension material makes it easy to create a pendulum-shaped wire with many joints, perfect for supporting long bridges when you don't have many supports below. So I just connect this to this? Is that really the best way of doing it? Oh, and then it does the floppy thing. Okay. Cables are thin and made of steel. They're strong but have no compressive strength. Perfect for balancing top-heavy structures and often used in suspension bridges. Okay. Okay. I don't know that we need to do that. I think we could probably get away with it just being that way, but fine, okay. I think apparently I have to fill in all of these. Ooh, it's a bit wobbly, isn't it? But successful, I think. Okay, so we doubled our joint stress there. Spent 6 grand. That's fine, okay. When do we get a little bit of freedom? Okay, we have to learn the drawbridge first. There's a ship coming through. Right, got it. Okay. Bring up the tool wheel and select wood. Okay. Sure this is the absolute best way of doing this, yeah? Okay. Bring up the tool wheel and select hydraulic. Got it. Okay. Hydraulic pistons are the ultimate material for creativity in bridge building. They can be set to either compress or expand. They're perfect for creating shape-changing bridges. Just what we need to get this drawbridge working. So, from there to there. That compresses together. From there to there, that compresses together. So that should bring those up. Right click on the bridge joint to create a split joint. There we go. Let's see how we go. Car comes across. That lifts up exactly as I'd intended it to. And there goes the little boat. Oh, and there's the guy on the bike, so we lower this down and then the guy on the bike comes across. The guy on the bike who apparently is as tall as a house. A village being ruled over by a mighty goat. Okay, so that's the tutorial complete. Let's move on to the next game when this old guy is not going to be helping us so much. So, we visualize load-bearing stress on joints by toggling stress on and off in the top menu bar. Green means no stress, red means it's about to break. Okay, an 8 metre simple bridge, we have a budget of 7,000. Okay, stress on. Okay. This is good. Okay. Well, I could do it that way. Wasn't the way we did it before, like, above? I don't know. I think I'm pretty committed to doing this above. That's how my granddaddy taught me how to build a bridge. Yeah, okay. See how we go there. That should be perfectly adequate. Reminder, Use Alt to enable delete modifier, use Control to enable move modifier. I don't know why I needed to know that right then. Good! Good. We used more than half of our budget, but I think that's fine. Do we get to continue the budget forward? The city car. Conquer the roads in this fashionable and practical city vehicle. Low fuel consumption, lightweight on those economical wooden bridges. Pretty much an engineer's dream. Okay, we've got a budget of 8,000 for this. And we've got a 10-meter bridge now. Okay. Well... Okay. Let's do this. I think this is a structurally sound idea. We'll pin these two together. And we will also have this sort of shape in the middle. Yes! You know what? Well, I like that. And it's a light car. Let's see how it goes. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that... Ooh. Okay, fair enough. I mean, it worked, but still.